Okay guys, I've turned around my camera so hopefully you can see me when I'm over there walking through this experiment. I'm going to try to be loud enough, but if not, I'll come back with the data. At least you'll be able to see how I kind of set it up and did it without me like shaking the camera and making me dizzy like I did last week. Okay, so last week when we did this, we measured in inches, and we should have measured in centimeters. And so I didn't even think about it because we're in science. We need to use our metric system. So the first thing we're going to test is the smooth ramp. And remember, we're doing it 3 times. All right, so I'm going to let the marble go. I'm not going to push it or anything. No force except for all I'm going to test is the friction that's happening against our ramp. Okay, so I'm going to measure from the end of the ramp to the marble in centimeters. And that was 82 centimeters. So I'm writing that on my trial 1, 82 centimeters. All right, let's do it again. Ooh, I think that one went farther. Okay. Yep, that one went 86. 86 centimeters for trial 2. And 86 centimeters for trial 3. All right, so now we're going to change it out. I'm going to add, I've made this sandy, gravelly something or another. I don't know what I made. With some hot glue and some sand and some gravel. All right, we're going to start at the top of our ramp. Oh, man. Doesn't even want to go down our ramp, so it doesn't go at all. Okay, let's maybe start it here. There we go. Ooh, that did not go very far. All right, that went a total of 24 centimeters. All right, let's try it again. Ooh, that's so bad. All right, that one went 28. And let's see, our last one. Ooh, it just sounds bad even. That one went 26. All right, so I'm going to take this surface off. That had a lot of friction going on. Okay, so now I've wrapped this paper that I've crumbled up around this surface, and I'm going to lay it on top. Like that. Okay, let's see how it goes. That did pretty good. Let's see. That went 78 centimeters. That's pretty good. Okay, 2 more times. Okay. That one went 73 centimeters. And my last one, that one went 77 centimeters. Okay, let me bring my journal back around, see if it'll let me switch my camera so you can see and make sure you got the same data. Okay, it's not going to let me, so let me grab my camera here. See if I can do it this way. All right, so this is what your chart should look like. I got 82, 86, and 86 on the smooth wood, 24, 28, and 26 on the gravel, 78, 73, and 77 on the bumpy paper. All right.